Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. Hope you guys did have a good Christmas and a prosperous New Year. You know, it's a COVID time now, it's a lockdown time now, so we have to make some healthy juice. So in Selvin Kitchen today, we're gonna make peanut punch. Thank you guys to support Selvin Kitchen. Keep on support Selvin Kitchen. Please give me a thumbs up for my videos then. Send me a comment. You guys want to see me cook something? Just send me a comment. And share the video with your friends and family. And smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot more recipe coming out. So in Selvin Kitchen today, we're gonna make peanut punch Jamaican style. A lot of people, some people put in Guinness, some people put in Jack and Stout, some people put in a lot of different stuff. But today I put in no alcohol today. So today in Selvin Kitchen, peanut punch. So guys, this is all the ingredients we're going to use today to make the peanut punch. So we have 1 cup of peanut. You can use the fresh peanut, or you can use the salted peanut, or you can use the roasted peanut if you want. But today I'm going to use the roasted peanut. So we have 1 tin of sweet milk, but we're going to use. We have 1 tin of strong back. We have 1 tin of Irish mash. We have 2 tin of supligen we're going to use today. We're going to use around a teaspoon of vanilla. We have 1 box of almond milk. So it's Selvin Kitchen today, guys. We're going to make a peanut punch for the guys. I'm at home, COVID time now. Outside is cold and it's snowing. So in Selvin Kitchen, peanut punch. So what we're going to do now, guys, the first step we're going to do, we're going to put in the peanut in the blender. So that is 1 cup of roasted peanut, but you can use, as I said before, it's optional. You can use the fresh peanut if you want, and you can use the any type of peanut you want. So I'm using the roasted peanut today because I give it a better taste and a better flavor than the fresh one. So a lot of people use fresh peanut, some people use roasted peanut, some people use the peanut already in the red skin already, but it's already take off the first layer. So I'm just gonna get in with some almond milk. I'm gonna put in around half of this almond milk and strong back. So shake up the strong back like that. Only time those bang the bottom, the top. Just shake it up. Give it a shake. Then open the strong back. So we're gonna put in 1 tin of strong back today. We're gonna use 2 tin of strong back because I don't want the strong back to overcome the peanut. So 1 tin of strong back. Pour that in. Guys, this is a lot of energy. There's a lot of power in this peanut punch. So we're gonna go in with a tin of supligen. Supligen. Gonna put in the next tin of supligen. So you can use 1 tin of supligen if you want, or if you don't want to make a lot. But I like peanut punch, so I'm gonna make a lot of peanut punch. Then we have the Irish mash. Just shake it up like that. Top the bottom, top the top, because Irish mash is quite thick. Give it a wiggle. Because the Irish mash is much thicker than the strong back. Get that out. So I just put in the Irish mash in it. I'm just gonna hop in this milk. I'm gonna put in around half a tin of sweet milk in it. Get that out. So half a tin of sweet milk. right there. Well, when you're making it, you can just put some in your hand and give it a taste. If you want a little bit more milk in it, you can add a little bit more sweet milk in it. If you don't like it too sweet, it's optional. Gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna put a quarter of a teaspoon. So guys, the nutmeg, I was gonna put in the nutmeg in it, but I changed my mind to put in the nutmeg. So I'm just gonna put in a little bit of allspice. Got the allspice of the nutmeg, you have the every type of spice you can think of it, you can put in a drink. So I'm gonna put just a little bit touch of the allspice, because I don't want the allspice to take away the taste of the peanut to overwhelm it. So I'm just gonna put in a little bit of touch of allspice. Look at that, people. So we have in the allspice in it, we have in the vanilla in it, we have the strong back, we have the Irish mash, we have the supligen, we have the peanut, guys. COVID time now is a cold time, so I'm making some strong juice for the guys that are at home. Guys, this juice is strong. If you don't try it as yet, please try this recipe. This recipe is straight from Jamaica, straight from the Caribbean. So it's optional, as I say again, if you want to put in Guinness, you want to put in a little bit of rum, it's up to you. If you want to put in Jamaican stout, but I ain't gonna put in no alcohol in it today. So in Selvin kitchen, guys, we're gonna, yes people, so now I'm just gonna blend it away. So in Selvin kitchen, people, please share the video with your friends and family. Please give me a thumbs up for this video, tell me what you think, and I'm just gonna put and blend it away.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I'll wait.
So guys, I just blend up this peanut punch. So look at it, people. So this is the peanut punch, guys. This is the finishing product. So now I'm just gonna share some of it in a glass. So as I said before, just put some in your hand and give it a taste. If you need a little bit more sweet milk, you can add a little bit more sweet milk to it. But if you don't like it too sweet, but just put a little bit of sweet milk to it, to your taste. Because peanut punch already a little bit sweety when you're drinking peanut punch. Because we put in the condensed milk, we don't put in no sugar at all. And we put in the strong back, the Irish mash. A lot of people don't put in strong back or Irish mash. Some people put in one of each of everything, but I like to put in strong back or Irish mash to it. So people, this is all finished. This is Selvin peanut punch. A lot of people make peanut punch a different way. Some people put in alcohol, some people put in Guinness, some people put in Jamaican stout, some people put in no alcohol, but I don't put in no alcohol in my one today. So I use 1 tin of Irish mash, 1 tin of strong back, half a tin of condensed milk. We have 2 tins of supligen. We use half of bags of almond milk. Use a little bit of touch of allspice. So in Selvin kitchen, peanut punch, people. It's a cold weather outside and it's a lockdown time now, so that's what we use. We drink a lot of, we need the energy to stay inside. So please hit a notification bell so when I post a video you get it, and please give me a thumbs up for this video. Selvin kitchen, we'll see you guys in the next video. Please keep safe.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard How we always wait another day. How we watch things like kids walk away.